This module is called the Art and Science of Storytelling. Both art and science are important to telling an effective story. Let's break it down a little bit. So what does make an effective story? Well, it's likely something your audience wants to hear. Ask yourself, how will it impact the listener? More important than how it's going to impact you. An effective story has a character in pursuit of a goal, in the face of some kind of an obstacle and overcoming the obstacle. You're basically answering the who, what, and when questions that make an effective story. It also is a narrative with structure, not a rambling dissertation. You need to have some kind of a structure in place so people can follow along with what you're saying. And finally, an effective story often comes with a USP. And many people often ask, what is a USP? So USP stands for unique selling proposition. Unique is the key word. It's something distinctive, a distinguishing element, characteristic, or benefit, something that sets the story apart. It creates the perception of uniqueness and tells people why this is an interesting story. Now, USP has an interesting relationship to story framework. And in this module, we talk a lot about different kinds of story frameworks. In fact, there are tons of them. We end up presenting a very simple, basic framework that you can build upon to make work best for you. I'm going to leave you with a quote from Gary Vaynerchuk, the very successful entrepreneur. He said, storytelling is by far the most underrated skill in business. I hope you found this interesting. We look forward to working with you soon.